For me, this is one of the best innovations from chemicalworkz in recent times. Specifically, it is the drying glove. This is made from twisted fiber, but sewn as a glove. This means you can easily get into tight spaces with it. You can simply use it to dry off again, for example. After you have gone over it with the large drying cloth and you still have small streaks on the mirror, etc., you can go over it with the drying glove. Here, I also did a test for you. How much can the washing glove actually absorb? And you can see it is just a small glove size and it really works very, very well. I conducted some stress tests with this. I kept adding fresh water and repeatedly filled the glove. And the glove is certainly not a substitute for a drying cloth in the sense of 90 by 60 or 80 by 50, but rather for detailing. And here you can still see in the test how much the washing glove can absorb. It is incredibly powerful and very, very good for detailing. So, for those who just don't want to switch to a small cloth, they can simply put on a drying glove and go over all the critical areas of the vehicle again. I think it's just amazing, this thing.